Hey, this is Mike over at Tim Lally. I just kind of wanted to go over a few of the little vehicle settings in your brand new Equinox that maybe you didn't know about. So what you're going to want to do is you want to click the home button, go over to your settings, and then click over to vehicle settings. And then from here you'll have a few different options. So this first one's going to be your rear seat reminder. Basically what that'll do is it'll remind you if there's an object or a person in the back seat, and it'll kind of remind you that it's there, whether it's like a gift or a birthday or something like that, just so you don't forget. You got climate and air quality. This is going to be like the default fan speed for your AC as well as your auto defog and auto rear defog. Collision and detection system. It's going to have your lane change alert, your park assists. You can turn these on and off if the icons are just a little bit too distracting for you, but you could also keep them on just for that extra layer of safety. You got your comfort and convenience. This is going to be your chime volume for any time you select something within the menus. Auto wipe in reverse gear. You put in reverse, it'll automatically wipe the back windshield. And then extended hill start assist. Basically when you're on a hill and like let's say there's a red light and it changes to green, when you go off the brake it'll keep your car there instead of it rolling back. Then you want to go over to lighting. You got your vehicle locator lights, that's when you use the fob, and then exit lighting. So if you exit at night, it'll leave the lights on for 30 seconds just so you can see. You can change this to be 60 or 120, whichever you prefer. Scroll down, you got a couple more. You got the power door locks, open door anti-locks, and then the auto door unlock. That's going to be for when you use the fob and you unlock the doors, kind of change which one you want to do. So you want to do the driver or all of them, or just have it off. You got your remote lock, unlock, start. So this is going to have a few different settings in here. You have the remote unlock feedback, so just flashlights, remote lock, lights and horn. You can change these to fit however you want. Remote door unlock, so that's going to be when you unlock the door, which one it'll do is be just the driver door. Remote start, auto heat seats. So basically in the winter time, as you know, it kind of gets a little crazy. You can do the auto start and it'll heat the seats as well. It's what it's set to now. But in the summertime, you can have that turned off just so you don't have to have the seat all warm when you get into the car. And then from there, you got remote window operation. That's also through the fob. Passive door unlock. That's going to be the little button on the side handle. And then you got the passive door lock, same principle. And then remote left and vehicle alert. Basically, it can detect when the remote's left in, and it'll give you a little notification when you try to exit. Hope this video helped you on the vehicle settings in your Equinox. For more tips and how-to, subscribe to the Tim Lally YouTube channel.